In this tutorial, we're going to be using a database called books.db. This can be downloaded from the bit.ly link bit.ly/ml-books. I'm going to use a delete operation to remove all the records from the table. So I'm going to keep this select statement just for the moment. So I'm going to do delete, and then from books, so books is the name of the table, of course. So this operation here will remove every record in the table, and I'm going to have the select statement here because that will, by running that, it'll show us that there's nothing left in the table, there's no records left. So if I run this now, I'm also including a semicolon here because what that does, that distinguishes this operation from the select operation, so it delineates the delete operation from the select operation. So let's run that, and you can see there's no records in that table. I've opened up the books database again, so we now have all our records. Supposing I don't want to remove every single record from the table, what I can do is I can use the where clause to identify which records we do want to remove. So let's modify this delete operation. So by adding in the where clause, and if I do author, and let's remove all books written by J.K. Rowling. And then again, not forgetting to put the semicolon on at the end of that clause, and then again selecting those books. So we can see now when you run this, all those titles pertaining to J.K. Rowling have been removed. We can also elaborate on this as well by having more of a complex where clause. So we can, for example, remove the books by Michael Morpurgo, written, let's say, since the year 2000. So if I just remove that now, and year published, is greater than 2000, and again we need to make sure we put the semicolon in there. And if we run this now, it should remove the last record on here, private peaceful. So let's run that, and you can see that's what's happened.